Yes, doctor. Just we are talking about how to react to a situation from an individual perspective.
Yeah.
If I how I have to be happy, how I have to see the situation, how I have to see an opportunity and all
Yeah.
those things. How to react those things to that kind of break-filled emotional person or identity, or you can say an ego kind of thing, or power positions. Just like I can compare a Duryodhan kind of thing and an ego of an Ashwathama. So this kind of thought process also there in the world. So how to react those situations, that is also an important thing. So can you guide how to control ourselves on those people?
See, I'm holding this pen in my
Yes.
one finger or two fingers. Yeah, one finger, little difficult. Two fingers, yeah. Is it difficult?
No.
Huh?
No, it is not so difficult. It is easily manageable.
Okay. With one finger difficult?
Yes.
No.
Slightly balancing issue.
Yeah.
Slightly balancing issue, but can be managed to a certain extent.
Okay. You said it is easy, right?
Not easy. It is comfortable at two fingers, but one can be managed.
Yeah. Now I changed the problem from two finger to one finger, so your focus became holding it one finger or two fingers, right?
Yes.
But did I tell you how much time I have to hold this?
No.
Assume if I ask you to hold this for 10 hours.
Big problem. No, I can't.
See, every problem is too short. There is no permanent problem in this world. So if you think the problem is a big problem or a small problem, either it's too heavy or it's too long. I don't think we interact with someone. Dr. TPS and Rajendra is meeting only 40 minutes or maybe more than two sessions, maybe 240 minutes. That's it, right? You have every option to meet me or not to meet me, talk to me or not to talk to me, be silent or not. But why do people become violent even when they interact for seconds? Actually, nothing required.
Yes.
We unnecessarily react. Rajendra is from India, right?
Yes.
We had a great prime minister, you know, Narasimha Rao from Hyderabad.
Yeah. Yeah. I know.
He was a very famous prime minister for not responding to most of the problems. And we had another great prime minister, Manmohan Singh, with,
MMS.
with, whom, with whom I worked very closely. You look at my website, you will see me and Manmohan Singh is holding my hand. His hand is both side and my hand is in between.
So probably it could be because he was with you, he was so calm. You must have mentored him.
I'll tell you, no problems are permanent in the world. Only thinking about the problem is the biggest problem. My interaction with Rajendra is not very smooth. I keep on thinking about you for the next one day, then that becomes a real disturbance for me. Why am I thinking about Rajendra for another one more day for a small difference of opinion which I had? Because I don't have any other big job in my life. Or I don't have a big fight with Khan soon after that. Assume that I fought with Rajendra, but then immediately I met Khan, I had a bigger fight with him. Then Rajendra is gone, my problem becomes Khan.
No, that is a different thing. Doctor, I agree with this because at a certain point of time, certain behaviors are there, and then it becomes a lifelong kind of.
It's all the way you look at a problem and react. Yeah, you think it cannot be solved, it's a big problem, I must continue with the problem, yes. But you want to drop it, I don't want to hold it more, yes. Somebody gives you a challenge of holding it, it's up to you to guarantee or agree. Or maybe you can put your condition saying, yeah, it's easy problem for me for some time after that. I am not going to take such challenges because I have got a bigger problem, bigger world to see around. So it's all you to decide what you want to carry, what you want to. People problem is like a compartment added to the big engine. We keep on adding compartments. which is not exactly essential in most of the cases. You are doing it because you don't have bigger problems, you don't have bigger thoughts, you don't have bigger targets. Your mix of people is with only very small. So look at passion and profession. Passion is something which gives you happiness. That should fill. We have 24 hours, don't have to carry always the problems and then profession and then competition and rivalry and all that need not fill 24 hours. 8 hours peacefully sleep. But before sleeping 8 hours, at least have some ambience of good time, good feeling, good people around to fill yourself so that you don't carry it even to next day morning. Keep only good thoughts and good ideas. Keep refreshing. Keep formatting. It's all that is in your mind. There is a great saying, Purne manasi sampurnam jagat sarvam sudhadravaihi upana gudapadasya nanucharma strudaiva bhuvu. Wherever I go, I cannot have a leather carpet. It's impossible. Wherever I go, I cannot find happiness matching with my behavior. But then I can create it by wearing a leather footwear. I can carry myself, my attitude. That's why earlier I started with attitude. It all depends on attitude. Yeah.
Thanks, doctor. I see many things like Sadhguru and all, Brahma Kumaris, to be very frank with you. So I learn from them, I hear them, and many times there are situations where we get negative feeling. So this kind of I try to learn many things from many other people. Whenever I get some good person or something, good thought process, that thought I carry. So your interaction is there. So I will carry this for a whole lifetime. That okay, this kind of good thought process which I've gotten. So at certain point, I see Chanakya also. I see Krishna, Lord Krishna in Mahabharata during the process of guiding Arjuna. And then a certain point of time, I see a situation from different angles. What Chanakya says, what Krishna says, what Parshuram says, looking at situations. If a Parshuram says like that, he has a different concept. What Rama says is a different concept, how to handle the situation. At kalas, 32 kalas, 64 kalas, and all the 16 kalas, 32 kalas and all. So we see this situation from different angles, different perspective. So that is a thought process which always comes in, how to react to situations, as how other different gurus or different teachers teaches the situation handling system. So you have given me a situation handling system. Well, if I look at Krishna, he will have a different concept. While Rama has a different concept, but Parshuram has a different concept. So that is a thought process where I am trying to get some questions or some answers from my questions which have come across in this lifetime at different part. So I'm sorry if I have hurted you. The thought process is very simple to learn things. What are reactions of different people. So if I go and ask a Brahma Kumari, she will go off for going after karmas and all. Sadhguru has a different concept itself. So this is the thought process. The question has come up because of those thoughts and those of teachings which have come up from different people. So I don't follow people, but I follow their teaching and all. So situations are there, that is the thing. But here this question, I think this question may be beneficial for many people in the group itself. They maybe have seen such kind of situations at certain point of time, and some may be hesitating to question that thing or try to get an answer, or for them it is like that, let go things. At certain point of time, at least we should have a reaction kind of thing. At certain point of time, we should handle or let go, or we should have the strength to tell the person, stop it, this is end. So that kind of thing, a thought process has to come into a person's mind. So that is a question which has come up because of those other person's teaching and all. Sorry.
No, Rajendra, you are perfectly right. But I have small things to add. We have great literature, great writing from different people because you have referred Mahabharata often. I'll give an example. Dharmaputra and Duryodhana, both of them came from same family.
Yes.
Both of them studied under same professor.
Yes.
But no teaching can help anybody to solve their attitude, behavior. That is also given. That is why we have one behavior from Dharmaputra contradicting exactly diagonally opposite from Duryodhana. It is not what Duryodhana was a bad student, he was driven to bad path. Because he had company with the Shakuni. It is not that Krishna gave a lecture. Krishna gave a lecture also to Duryodhana. Many times he gave lecture, he gave warning, he gave lessons, he gave lot of tips for his progress. It doesn't listen because it listens here and then goes here. It is not what Sadguru says or Brahmakumari says or Chanakya says or Vivekananda says is good or bad. That matters. That way Vivekananda told many things, Chanakya told many things. What is required is when you have a problem, that's why I said everybody's problem cannot be solved by, in Bharatiya Shastram we don't believe in what capsule we keep in our bureau and then whenever patient comes categorize and then give that capsule. No. We make medicines for each one of them separate and then provide. That is Ayurveda. We look at the pulse of the people and then decide what dose is to be given. It is not that 300 mg for everybody for same problems. No.
I agree.
You understood? Therefore, same Duryodhana could not satisfy his own mother. Who has to certify Rajendra is good? Who has to certify Dr. TPS is good? It is not the public who hear me. My mother has to say that I am so lucky that I have got a son like this. My eldest brother who was my guardian, because I lost my father, my eldest brother was my guardian. He must tell I am so happy that I have got a brother like this. Because they know me much closer from my birth. Understood? So it is not giving lecture and then, it's a good lecture. So what? So what? It doesn't matter. Dr. TPS spoke nicely. So what? Ask this question. So that if you want to understand, you should have a satsang. The satsang is how much time you spend with me. That is what creates the mentorship. So who was the mentor for Duryodhana? We don't refer who was the guru for Duryodhana. We will say it is all Shakuni. Shakuni is from which place? Kandahar, Afghanistan, Gandhar Naresh. So he took company from Kandahar. Now tell me, who was the guru, who was the disciple, who was the company, who was the friend, who was associate? In good and bad times they were together, not giving lecture and running away.
Yes, doctor. I know.
And that was Krishna. You understood? That was Krishna.
Yes, doctor.
Therefore, when the mother Gandhari called Duryodhana and asked, what happened to you, my dear son? Why are you not listening? Look at your cousin brothers, they are wonderful. Every public is saying that you are not a good son. Why can't you change? That's what Gandhari said. You know what Duryodhana gave answer during that time? Janami dharmam. Mother, I know what is dharmam. Nachame pravritti. I am not able to practically do it. Janami adharmam. I know what is not to be done. Nachame nivritti. I am not able to stop doing it. Kenapi kamena hridistitena yatha niyuktosi tadha karumi. Whatever my mind is saying, I am doing it. I am blind in my attitude. That is my problem. So you need someone.
I will come down to you on this later on. Let other people
You need a lot of corrections by individually looking at problems and then associating. That's what is mentoring. Mentoring is not textbook, giving textbook and say you read it. That way I have got nice poetry books. Rhythm of life, you read it. I can tell that read this book, that's good enough. No, that doesn't solve problems. Life Made Simple. I've got a book. Life Made Simple. It's all available free on my website. Read it and your problems will be solved. No, it doesn't. It triggers you.
Get in touch with you. I will get in touch with you later on. let other people come up with their questions. That is more important because our time will be going on. I will take a number from Sashi.
My number is there, 9447. Otherwise, just type in Dr. TPS on internet. You will reach up to me. Look at my videos. There are maybe 2000. Most of them are life-related discussions.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And comment to them so that I will see. Oh, Rajendra is looking at what I'm saying.